Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install and configure Windows Admin Center on Windows Server 2022. Now I am going to download Windows Admin Center. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Press enter. Type here in Google search bar. Download Windows Admin Center. Press enter. Click here on first link, www.microsoft.com. Now our website is open. Let's drop down to end. Click download now. Click download the MSI. Click download now. Now the downloading is started. It is 89.3 MB software. After downloading, let's close web browser. Double click on this PC. Click downloads. Here it is, our Windows Admin Center software. Right click on it. Click install. Click I accept these terms. Click next. Click next. Select I don't want to use Microsoft Update and click next. Click next. Click next again. Select the port for the Windows Admin Center site. In this tutorial, we use the default port, 443. Click install. Let's close Downloads console. This installation will take some time. The installation was completing successfully. In this wizard provide to connect to Web Admin Console. Let's click on Web Admin Console URL. Authentication is required. Enter credentials. Click OK. After successful login, Windows Admin Center welcome page is shown. Add target hosts on Windows Admin Center. This is our default host. Click Add. Let's close on it. Now I am going to add our domain server. Type here domain server name, which one you add. Click Use another account for this connection. Enter a domain admin and password credential. Click Add with credential. Click Never. Click Add the server name exactly as entered. Click Add. Now our domain server is added. Click on Server. This is the overview of Windows Admin Center Web Console. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install and configure Windows Admin Center on Windows Server 2022. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.